Hey guys, Mr. King here, and we're in the lab with Laura Sandoval. And Laura, how did you become interested in science?
When I was younger, I used to ask a lot of questions. Something like, why do computers get hot after we use them for too long? And after asking so many questions, I decided that I wanted to answer them. And that's exactly what science does.
Okay, and here you're doing some research in engineering. Could you talk a little bit about that?
Yes, so we work on people who have strokes, and stroke patients lose mobility and feeling over half of their body. So we try to use the side of the body that does have feeling and send feedback on that so that the patient knows where their arms and legs are.
So when a patient has a stroke, often they lose the ability to know where an arm or a hand or finger is located in space, and you're trying to restore that.
Yes.
Okay. The engineering work that you've done.
Yes. So as I mentioned, I am working on a gentle skin stretch device, and here I have the device. As you can see, we use an Arduino Uno and a motor controller. These two are the microchips that control the vacuum pump and tells the vacuum how strong it should be. The vacuum pulls air through this tube and through this suction cup. We have set the Arduino to communicate to the vacuum pump to send 5 different levels of suction, and using those 5 different levels, the patient will be able to know where their arms are. So I'm going to connect it, and I'll show you the pump in action. That's the lowest setting. And you may not be able to see it, but after each vacuum, air is released through these breathing holes. See, that's my finger. We can also put it on the arm to sense a different kind of pull. And again, the air is being released.
All right, so in science, one of the practices is asking questions and defining problems. In your research, can you talk about that a little bit, about that practice?
Yes. So a lot of times we ask questions that we don't know the answer to, that nobody knows the answer to. So we start off by looking at what other people have found out recently to the questions they've asked. And that way we're able to answer in a more educated manner, and we also don't redo the work that other people have already done.
Okay.